Good morning, class.
Good morning, teachers!
I'm going to today about facial treatment. When you hear the word facial treatment, what comes into your mind? Yes, Miss Rhea?
Saying facial treatments, mom, it is something, it's an activity that you're going to do in your client, especially po if you're going to enhance or yung to improve yung mga actions na sabi natin or teaching activity.
Do you practice facial treatment?
Sometimes.
Why do you say so? Sometimes. You're not taking a bath every day?
Yes.
Siyempre, if you are taking a bath every day, you are also cleansing your face. Because cleansing is also a part of facial treatment.
Okay. Facial treatment. Facial care is a beauty treatment that is designed to exfoliate, invigorate, or treat the skin of the face. Okay. Let's proceed to the anatomy and physiology of the skin.
So there are three parts of our skin. First is the epidermis, the outer part of our face or the skin. Second is the dermis, and third is the hypodermis. The dermis is the middle, and the hypodermis is the inner part of our skin.
Okay, the definition of epidermis is to protect the body from the outside environment, and the dermis is provide support and protection. And while the hypodermis is protecting the body from harm, storing energy, and connecting your skin to your muscle and bone.
Again, what are the three layers of our skin?
Hypodermis.
In order.
Hypodermis.
No. The outer part is epidermis. The middle is dermis. And the line is the hypodermis. There are also a part of the face.
The first one we call this frontal belly or frontalis of epicranius muscle. And the second one, temporalis muscle. And the third one is orbicularis ovuli muscle or orbital part. And the third one, pectoral part. This is the pectoral part, pectoral part. And the next is the pretarsal fibrous.
Fibers. Next.
Next is the natalis muscle or the transverse part. Levator anguli oris muscle. Masseter muscle. Inclinator orbicularis oris muscle. Platysma muscle. Mentalis muscle. Depressor normal skin. What is the normal skin? Yes, Miss Norma?
Normal skin. Normal skin type is face. It's not too dry and not too oily.
Okay. Normal skin has the following characteristic. The first one is no or few imperfection. The second one is no severe sensitivity. And the last one, severe sensitivity. And the last one is barely visible pores and radiant complexion skin.
Okay, touch your face. Do you
Is it
consider your face is
Oily.
Normal.
Because there's
Forehead.
Yes.
Forehead yo. Is it oily?
Yes, it is.
No, it's normal.
Who say normal, have a normal skin? Yes, Miss Erica. Why do you say so? You have a normal skin.
Because it is not too dry and not too oily. And there's no already aqua na.
Okay. So let's tackle later what is a characteristic of a healthy face or healthy skin.
Okay, the second one is combination skin. Yes, Miss Sarah?
Combination type skin type. This type of skin in the face can be dry or normal in some areas and oily in others, such as the T-zone, nose, forehead, and chin.
Okay. Combination skin type is face can have the pores that larger than normal because they are more open, and the blackheads and the skinny, shiny skin. The blackhead and shiny skin is the combination skin. Di ba agati silong ate mo patay kat na silong na dumas lagat adoti blackheads na. Yun ang tinatawag natin combination skin.
In addition, when we say combination skin, the T part, you know the T part of your face.
Yes, ma'am. Nose, forehead, and chin.
Okay, are oily. So these three parts are oily and the other are dry. So no, you have a oily part in this T part and have a dry in the chin. So you have a combination. I should say you have a combination.
Okay, the next is oily skin. Yes, Miss.
Oily skin type is face. Oily type skin and face may have enlargement pores, dull or shiny pink complexion, blackheads, pimples, or other blemishes.
Okay, oiliness of face can change depending the year of or the weather. Like example, ngayon, iba yung weather natin, mahangin ka, yung skin natin nagda-dry. And kapag yung weather naman natin is hot, yung mukha natin is oily. Okay, and the next type of skin is dry skin. Yes, Miss Aliedo?
Dry skin type is face. For those with dry skin generally have almost invisible pore and may suffer from premature wrinkles and regular irritation to the skin. It is also dull, rough, complexion, has red patches, and your skin is less elastic and more visible light. People that have dry skin, its face can burn, swollen, or become itchy, irritated, or not pain.
Stop eating.
For you class, what is the difference between oily and dry skin? Miss Glass.
For me, ma'am, is kaslak madi face ni Ma'am Jane Mary because adan ata oily na to sa. And then for the dry skin po, ma'am, Mas laki ni Ma'am. Oy, hindi lang. Okay, Ma'am Cherry. Dry skin kasi nilagyan niya na. Ano sumagot nila? Nilagyan niya ng sunscreen. Kaya naging dry yung face niya.
Aside from those answer of Miss Ongso, what else? Yes? Yes, Miss Coriaso. Okay. Yes? Yes? Another answer? Okay, very good, Miss Shella. You have a point. When we say oily skin, and also Miss Cariaso, sorry, oily face have a large pore. So check your skin or face.
Small pores lang.
So what do you think? What do you think is the normal size of pores? 10, ma'am. What 10? 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter, 10 inches. What 10? The normal pores is visible. So, maliit lang siya. Hindi siya nakikita into naked eye. But, if you see it with magnifying glass, makikita mo na meron pa rin pores ang ating skin. So, pag kita-kita,
Ma'am, no ay bunto gamit.
no,
Yes.
No ay bunto ka.
nung makita the naked eye, that is large. Pero nung makita yung magnifying glass, that is normal. Kasi all of us or all of the people have a pores.
Okay, the last one is sensitive skin. Yes, Miss Ella?
Sensitive skin types may exhibit the characteristics of dry skin, oily skin, nor combination skin, but they also deal with a great amount of redness and irritation. Normal skin types may also have sensitive skin, but these generally don't overlap.
Okay. When we say sensitive skin, is example, tagijay yung mga may mga makeup na ginagamit tayo or mga moisturizer or mask na nilalagay na ina-apply natin dito sa mukha natin, then after that may mga pula or may mga rashes dito sa mukha natin. Yun ang tinatawag nating sensitive skin.
Ito na investor people.
Especially no agi Diyos sa saluhan. Or anya kan kaya ba siya agi Diyos sa saluhan. Sama-sama dito sa saluhan.
Ang dati ay pinaka
Mostly activity like ILP, pagbuwaran ng Based on the type of the skin, who among you are applying skincare? Aside from teacher Cherry.
Ma'am, sensitive skin ko with safeguard lang.
What kind of what kind of skincare? Green.
I only use sunscreen with Morada, the 50 plus.
So, what the reason for you are buying sunscreen?
Ma'am, kung mga ng legend tayo, gawin niya na ay dito sa mga sunscreen. Sila mo picture ko ang glow to the face ko kasi nag-smooth ka ng gano'n.
Share yung
Endorse ka na, endorse ka na.
Share yung the reason why you buy sunscreen is the recommendation of Teacher Kenny, and also it is applicable to your face. So do you consider your face needs some ingredients inside that sunscreen?
Yes.
What are those ingredients? face get different. Because gapon no in recommend to teacher kaya nga, uy kasi tigatang kasi kuhan niya, siyang kuhan niya kung ano. But how about your skin? Agpada kay pati skin. Diba? So consider read first kanya
Kanya mga pagtutay mo, taon mo tanong ng allergy sa atin ko. Nalalit mo. So, hindi ko okay ka na.
well, lukas jay, siguro applicable kanya or siyang mo ajay skincare. So take note, if you are buying skincare, you need to test first your skin problem, kung ano yung mga problem ng skin mo. So if you have oily skin, dapat you have a ano bang mga ingredients na hindi nakaka-oily ng skin.
Sorry ka man.
Okay, very good, niacinamide. So if you have oily skin, you can also use niacinamide product. Yes?
If we have oily face, we can use ice. Diba? To prevent
Close to the
yeah.
Because there is a specific time of using ice. So,
Ma'am, what dry
Dry
face?
moisturizer. Like aloe vera, we can use serum.
Ma'am, kung ano siya, nakakasanong ko kanya nakakadupin po.
okay, may isa lang. So, punta muna tayo sa oil. Very good yung sinabi ni Miss Tricia na pwede tayong gumamit ng ice, but be sure nga in the morning kasi mas may no morning tayo makasarili ice. And then sa dry naman, pwede tayong gumamit ng mga moisturizer. And sa ano pa, yung mga type of skin, sa may mga acne, pimples, you can use
Aside the ice, masapay di. Ang rapay di mabalik na mausap. Like the oil face. Makabalik di serum.
yes, serum that have a salicylic and niacinamide ingredient. Also sa mga pimples, kasi salicylic acid protects or kills the bacteria from the face.
Ang pasalamat na dito tao na urian nito sa lahat kas lahat kung mga may pimples ka or ang lawan niyo dito
Effect wala ma.
Kung urian niya ka kas lawan na to sure na mo kasalud ang mga bacteria sa skin ka makawa sa pimples.
Derma is the key.
Console.
Kuhan nga talaga nga kaya yung system niya. Yay, magrupa tayo.
Hindi naman kami, ma'am, di pa dero, ma'am.
Dapat session na gani.
Okay. Kindly enumerate the 5 types of skin phase. Yes, may believe.
Normal skin type to face, combination skin type, oily skin type to face, dry skin type to face, and sensitive skin type.
Okay, very good. Let's proceed to the skin problem.
Skin problems are extremely common, especially in women. Even if they are painless or begin or benign, they can be particularly stressful as they are easily visible and can seriously affect confidence and quality life. So, yung mga have pimples, acne, are you still confident?
Yes!
Okay. Okay.
Mga
Why?
special sa tagana, kahalimot na maiwasan tiyag.
It's normal.
Yeah, it's normal. Go, 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 go.
So, nagkakot ba design nga mas agingon kayo din may sa mga tao nga nag-clear the skin na nga wala lang pimples na o man nagkita blackheads or man nagkita na. Na-experience nyo ba din na baka siya kumamot dito ka
Yes. Yes, you were making
Ma'am, kanya TV niya, share ko lang mo. Kanya TV, ma'am niya kanya hindi ma'am niya high school, ay grade 5 elementary ng TV talaga pero pag hindi kami nag-realize na kung makita kami yung classmates ko. Agos ko kami lagi ng pants, tapos ma'am siya, tapos ma'am niya, hindi ko na ko maanggap pants, tapos ang ma'am niya nag-realize na gawan din. Hindi to the point na
ano pa yun, tapos nag-doctor kayo ang bumo. Tapos dapat ay wala nang iyak ng pants.
Tapos hindi na kaya ng egay, panay ko kung mamaya expired gaya mo sa sarong nga pants.
Ba, makapaamal pa yung DJ classes.
Ilang taon na?
Kasi akin nga lahat. Ay, basta medyo ano, ma'am.
Kasi yung mga skin ng mga bata, meron sa
Kabay mo pa yung That's my no? How about me? Taurus. Unlike you.
There are three skin problem. Acne, blackheads, and whiteheads. Okay, what is acne? Yes, Usulas.
Acne or pimple is a chronic inflammatory skin condition that causes spots and pimples, especially on the face, shoulders, back, neck, chest, and upper arms. Pimples are due to overactivity of the oil glands located at the base of the hair follicles, especially on the face, back, chest, and shoulders.
Okay, and the cause of the acne is by the blockage of the acid from the sebaceous gland, which will eventually rupture and release sebum. When we say sebum, it is oil. It's responsible for keeping our skin soft and supple. Sebum is into deeper larger of the skin, and the treatment of acne is you should cleanse your face truly if you have acne, and antibacterial cleanser may help. Exposure to sunlight may also help, as this make the skin peel and unblock the sebaceous gland. Sebaceous gland. Okay, the next one is blackheads. Yes, Miss Clarice.
Blackheads are a mild type of acne that usually forms on the face, but they can also appear in the following body parts. It looks like black dots that have formed on your skin.
Ano yung cause ng blackheads sa mukha natin? Dirty cells?
Tapos,
Di ba yung mga oil na may mga oil, tapos na dirty na for
Bakit di pa dapat yung
Baka
wash
mo hindi nga pagpapakita ka
hindi na bisito may kasi tinawag mo niya eh.
Ay,
Blackheads caused by sebum or the oil accumulation in the pores. So, pwede pagbaga yung may sapay nga cause the blackheads is the oil. Pwede pagbaga yung for example, nag-touch kayo titi-face yun, wala ka nang dinunod. Tapos, ada giday pores yung
Open.
naka-open. Diday da nga sumra ka giday nga dirt. Oil says to the surface of the skin where it oxidizes and darkens. Ano naman yung treatment ng blackheads?
Dito nyo niya, Castillo.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the wrong way. Wrong way.
Sa dadi pa
Kita yung nose strip, pag blackhead kasi.
Iwan sa manong dadi yung facial wash.
Dapat si may isang na treatment si blackheads. Kaya nagkita yung nose strip kasi ayun.
At dan sa pa di ko sa bilog tapos ikaw mo
O sa sarang hindi dahil
Yeah.
Expert na mga ganyan.
Kung makikita niyo
Expert ka nun, design.
Kasi nakamuha may cut-amin di blackheads at the tendency na agtubo lang. Kasi di blackheads, adam lang sulusog na. So we have a treatment of blackhead.
You can treat the blackheads at home. Nagigay mabalin kayo obra and tatlo may katalilip
itikwa tayo. Nawan na gardi. Gardi tools.
Everyday na
Please stand up. And tell your classmates. Stand up.
Kasi Ajay ganun mild nga hot water. Mag-i-open na di yung pores nyo, tapos di ice i-close na to, tapos matalusan.
Very good. You have a lot of experience. Yeah. Kasi, you can remove blackheads at your home. Steam your face for a few minutes to open the pores. So, tama yung sinabi ni Miss Joanna and Miss Josril na maligamgam na tubig helps our face to open the pores. So then squeeze the blackhead gently between the fingertip or use a blackhead remover. Regularly use of an exfoliator helps prevent clogged pores. Next, whitehead.
Whiteheads are known as those the follicles beneath your skin become filled with bacteria and have a very small opening at the top of your skin. Air isn't able to enter the follicle. The bacteria inside of it doesn't undergo chemical reaction, so it stays white.
How do you pronounce the other term of whitehead? Close down down. That is comedon.
Ano naman ang cause ng whitehead? Yes.
Kung ang blackheads ay from the dirt, how about the whiteheads?
Whitehead?
Bacteria.
Filled with bacteria. It has very small.
So the cause of the whiteheads are small sweat spots and are not part of acne. They are cysts of sebaceous or sweat glands in areas where oil secretion is low. These glands does not bust or burst as an acne, but the oil becomes thick, hard, and white. Treatment. Hindi mo alam yung treatment sa whiteheads aside from pag-quiz nyo. Peel?
Aside but if there is no sleeper or
Guys, kami yung TikTok na white and yellow Kaya ba?
Ma'am, no,
nag-rice ka ba?
Yes, nag-egg.
Yes, committee.
Di na pinaka-try ka niya yung baseline. Egg and
Ma'am, egg and yolk, ma'am. Hindi ko find ko, pero guys, kaya pero nagka-shine mamaya.
Sino kanya yung effective anti-egg and coffee?
Yes, Rega lang.
Miss Cariaso and Jezreel is effective, but teacher Sherry is not effective. Effective. Hindi pa mag-is effective. Kasi, sabi na natin kanina na we have a different skin type.
And sensitivity. So, whiteheads can be removed at home. Use a sterile needle or sterilized needle to pick the skin over the whitehead. Then very gently squeeze over the secretion. Cleanse the skin afterwards with antiseptic cream.
Ma'am, di ba ma'am hindi pagpagada no igamin no bis itong to imaboton?
Umabot. So, nga kailangan, no, after mo isnitan ko na dito, cleanse. And then, mas appropriate if you use stop moag-close mo lang. Hindi ko din.
No, nadalos di mo.
Yes.
This is zero.
Lahat nga amin nga zero plans for whitehead. Depends talaga based on the ingredients na.
Sir Benny, sure
But, let's answer this question. What will happen? Sorry. What would happen if you didn't care of it, your face?
Acroson
Raise your right hand if you want to answer. Don't answer in chorus. Yes, again is Taliado. Share your idea. Knowledge.
if hantay nga ikaya di skin time ang change face tayo. Agkaroon is akalegyo like acne. Example. Pimples.
Ang 35 na ito pa.
When mas imbado ti acne mo if you don't nga mo i-treatment na masakalay pa. Kasi umado or
Yes, Miss Erica.
At if face ma'am niya, if we didn't take care of our face, we could experience several negative effects, including increased breakouts, plaque sores, dry and flaky skin, uneven skin tone, premature aging, visible signs of environmental damage and result, lackluster complexion due to age, built up of dirt, oil, and dead skin cells. According to Google.
Okay. So if we didn't care our face, of course we will have a low confidence, di ba? Increase the confidence tayo kasi we have a different skin problem. Decrease our confidence. Depends so on who you have a high confidence. Just because what makes you confident?
Believe in your face.
Why you need to believe in your face? Okay, so we need to care our face using different treatments. But if we over treatment our face, it will cause skin irritation, skin problems, and skin issues. Yeah. Next. So let's move on to clean acne prone skin.
Since we're running out of time, we will continue the discussion next meeting. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye and thank you.